Have you ever walked into a room and instantly forgotten why you're there? Or maybe you've searched for your phone for 10 minutes, only to realize it was in your hand the whole time. Strange, right? But what if I told you this isn't forgetfulness? It's your brain deliberately hiding parts of reality from you. Right now, as you watch this video, there are details your brain has already decided you don't need to see. But what exactly is being filtered out? And more importantly, what if you could learn to see more? Watch till the end, because once you understand your brain's hidden filter, you'll never look at the world the same way again. Let's start with a test. In a famous psychology experiment, people were asked to count how many times basketball players passed the ball. Most did fine, until the researchers revealed the trick. Right in the middle of the game, a person in a gorilla suit walked across the screen. Yet, nearly half of the viewers never noticed it. Their brains filtered it out. This isn't just a funny trick. It's proof that your brain is constantly editing reality. Think of it like an overprotective movie director cutting entire scenes before you even see them. But why would your brain do this? The answer lies in something called selective attention. Every second, your senses gather millions of bits of data: colors, sounds, textures, smells. But your conscious mind can only process a tiny fraction. So your brain recruits a powerful gatekeeper, the Reticular Activating System. The RAS is like a nightclub bouncer. It decides what information gets past the velvet rope into your awareness. Sometimes it works from the top down, based on your goals. For example, if you're hungry, you'll suddenly notice food signs everywhere. Other times it works from the bottom up, when something unexpected, like a loud crash, forces its way into your attention. Your brain isn't showing you the full world. It's showing you the edited highlights. But here's where it gets unsettling. These filters create blind spots you don't even realize you have. This is why you can drive home on autopilot and barely remember the trip. It's why you can walk into a room and miss the brand new painting on the wall. It's why, in conversation, you sometimes completely overlook a key detail, because your mind was already focused elsewhere. And here's the twist. Advertisers and social media platforms know how this filter works. Bright colors, flashing notifications, perfectly timed ads. They're designed to slip past your brain's gatekeeper, hijacking your attention. You think you're in control, but your filter is being exploited every single day. Quick challenge for you. Right now, look around the room you're in. But don't turn your head. Can you name 5 objects in your peripheral vision? Most people can't, because your brain's already filtered those details out. If you find this fascinating, hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment what you noticed, or what you didn't. And stick around, because up next, you'll see how this filter shapes your health and even your memory. Now let's get back to it. On one hand, this brain filter is a superpower. Imagine if you had to process every leaf blowing in the wind, every hum of electricity, every shadow moving across the wall. You'd collapse from overload. This filter keeps you alive by focusing only on threats, opportunities, and goals. But there's a dark side. This same filter can blind you to danger, like missing a car speeding toward you, or cause eyewitnesses to confidently misidentify suspects. It feeds confirmation bias, making you see only what agrees with your beliefs. And when overloaded by screens, alerts, and noise, your brain's filtering system becomes strained, leading to stress, burnout, and even memory problems. Here's the good news. You can train your brain to see more. Mindfulness exercises. Pause, breathe, and intentionally scan your environment. You'll notice details your brain usually hides. Attention games, try puzzles, spot the difference, or memory tests. They sharpen your filter. Active listening. Repeat back what someone says. It forces your brain to capture details you'd normally miss. Focus hacks. Silence notifications, clear your space, and choose one goal at a time. Directing your attention is like aiming a flashlight. You decide what gets illuminated. These aren't just productivity tricks, they're mental health tools. They help lower stress, strengthen memory, and even boost creativity. So here's the real question. If your brain is hiding most of reality from you, what's slipping through the cracks right now? A missed opportunity, a crucial warning sign, or maybe something wonderful you've never slowed down to notice? Pause. Thoughtful tone. The truth is, your brain's filter is both your greatest strength and your greatest blind spot. The challenge is learning when to trust it and when to push past it. So, what are you missing?